So I tried making money with this 5 Nigeria platform after watching this video. In this video, I want to show you 5 Nigeria websites that will pay you every day to carry out tasks for them. Now, please note that this also works for other related Africa countries. Now, I'm doing this video because my audience are heavily based on Nigeria. So in that video, I shared with you 5 Nigeria platforms that will pay you every day by performing simple social media tasks. So after watching that video, I tried making money with these 5 platforms. And here is the proof. And here in this video, we want to check it out if this 5 Nigeria platform really pays you or not. So I'll be starting a new series in my channel where I'll be trying every single method on ways to make money online, and I'll be trying these out and I'll be sharing them with you, sharing every single thing with you, giving my own honest review and telling you if this is right for you or not. Now what I do basically is that I try the most talked about and the most popular ways to make money online. I bring them right here on my channel. I try it out with you right here. I give my honest opinion and I give my honest reviews so that you won't go about wasting your time trying all those different methods and different ways to make money right here on YouTube and wasting your time at the end of the day. I believe this sounds interesting. So these ways you don't have to go about wasting your time, and by the end of the day you are seeing no result. So in this series in this channel is called I Tried. I'll be trying all the ways to make money online. Now in this video series called I Tried, so I tried making money with social earnings to see if this platform really pays you every day to perform simple tasks, and this was the result. So the first platform is called social earnings, and I told you this platform pays every day to perform simple tasks. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to try it out if this is really working. So the first thing is right now is to log in into my account, of which I'm doing right now. So right now I have a balance of 1,500 naira, right? So this is just the dashboard, and this is how to get started. As you can see right now, my last withdrawal is 0 naira because it's a new account, and I have a total withdraw of 0 naira. So what we're going to do right now is to just perform task, right? And this is the available task, and this is like total tasks available. It's just like a dashboard and a graph of what the platform is all about. So what we're going to do right now is to go ahead and start earning so that we can know that if this platform is really paying. We're going to try this platform out in the next 24 hours and let's see if this platform really pays every day to do what we talked about in that video. The first thing I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and perform tasks. Now this is the top task available right now. So what we're going to do right now is to go ahead and view task. Click on view task, and we are going to perform the task and see if this platform really pays. All right. Okay, you are telling me that you have not activated your account yet. Kindly make a one-time payment and start making money, right? All right, before you can start performing any task on this platform, you have to activate your account. So the first thing we are going to do right now in this platform is to activate our account. So I'm going to come over to activate my account, of which I'm going to come over to the dashboard, right? So just follow me, click on activate. I'm going to activate my account by clicking on activate. Here are 2 ways to activate your account. All right, you can activate your account with your Naira bank, or you can activate your account with your cryptocurrency. So I'm going to click on the first one, right? I'm going to pay through transfer. So I'm going to pay into this account. So I'm going to click on the account. So I'm going to go to my bank right now and I'm going to make this payment. Just make the payment right now. So I'm going to go back to this app, right, and confirm the payments. Okay, I'll click on I'll send the money. So let it confirm the payment. So this is a simple step on how you can activate your account. It's just a one-time payment of 1,000, of which they are telling us, as you can see right now, payment made successfully and account activate successfully. So the next thing right now, we're going to go ahead and start performing our tasks, right? So I'm going to perform tasks right here, and we are going to confirm if this platform really pays every day to perform simple tasks. We're going to click on view task so that we can view the details of the task. So as you can see right now, Telegram channel, please ensure you have logged in, never submit sensitive information to the channel, joined, make payment to anyone in this channel. Okay, that means they are telling us what not to do. All right, join the channel and with the link below. All right, submit task and get paid. Your social media username. All right, you have not yet verified your Telegram account, and the first thing you have to do is to add the social media links or social media handles so that they can easily confirm if you really do the jobs, right? So we're going to do that right now. Your social media account must be a verified pics and must be active, right? Your account must have a recent post. For Facebook, submit a profile link, but for other social media account, your username. So I'm just going to add my social media account right now, then I'll come back to the video so that we won't make this long. So guys, these are my social media list. I've already added my social media handle. As you can see, the status right here is pending. All of them is pending. and this is my username at all of them, and this is the time I added them 0 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago. So we just wait a while, let them activate this account, and we go ahead and perform tasks, and let's see if this platform really pays or not. And when adding your social links, it's important to follow their instructions. One of their major instructions is that you will add your username, which is your username, to your bio in that account. As you can see in this very place, I'm adding the username Noma, which is my username, on my bio. Right after they activate your account, you can change it to your former bio. Right, it's just for them to know that this account belongs to you. Right, so after they activate the account, you can go back to your former bio. So guys, right here, two of my social media account has been approved, right? Twitter account has been approved, as you can see a blue tick right here. And my Instagram account has already been approved. You can see a blue tick right here. And my TikTok, Telegram, they are pending. And my Facebook was rejected because I didn't have my username on my bio. So you have to do that. As you can see, they say add the username in to your bio and apply again. So guys, now we already have two of my account, Twitter and Instagram. So we're going to go ahead and perform tasks on Twitter and Instagram, and as we wait for others to get approved. So I'm going to come over to my dashboard right now, and we're going to perform task on that is related to Instagram and Twitter, so that let's see if we can really make money every single day by doing simple tasks. So let's go ahead. So right now we have some tasks right here. There are a lot of tasks, but we are going to do some few tasks. Now we have a task on Twitter page follow. I go to view task. Let's see if this really works. Right now, this is the page, this is the ID, this is the amount they are going to pay, and this is the guide on how to do the job. Right, please ensure you are logged in. Follow the Twitter user on link below. So once you are done that, you select you submit tasks to get paid. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on view job. It will take me to Twitter right now. Then what I'm going to do is very simple, is to follow this account. So I'll just go ahead and click on follow. I'm already done, so I'll come back right here. Then I'm going to click on submit. Right, I'm going to click on my username, which is Noma Evans. This is my Twitter username. I'm going to click on submit, and it's going to be submitted. Right, as you can see, task submitted successfully. Your account will be credited once the staff approve your task within 2 days. Yeah, they are saying within 2 days, but it's going to take less than 24 hours. So we are going to wait, let them approve it. So as we are waiting, I want us to perform at least 2 or 3 tasks. Right here, right now, we have an Instagram page follow, which is an Instagram job. So just click on view task. So this is the job right here. It's just to follow the page. I'll come here right now, click on view job. It take me to Instagram. What I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to click on follow. Then I'll come back. Right, click on come back, and I'm going to click on our username. It's going to give us our Instagram username because we already submitted our Instagram account. We click on submit, and it's going to submit this job for us. As you can see, task successfully submitted. Your account will be credited once our staff approve the job. Now you can do this job within 30 seconds. So I believe this 2 job is okay, or you can also go ahead and do many jobs if you wish. Right, these are tasks, YouTube view jobs, and all of that. Right, WhatsApp job. These are several tasks you can do on this platform. Now this is the first page, second page, third page. We are going to see if this platform really pays us or not. So let's wait and see them if they pay us. So once they pay, I will let you know. If they don't pay, I'll also let you know. So guys, few hours later, 2 of these tasks has been approved. As you can see right here, these 2 tasks has been approved, and this is the amount they have paid. And we're going to go over to my Henny dashboard and see if I've been credited this money. And as you can see right now, my Henny just changed from 1,005 to 1,507 naira. Right, meaning they have paid me. Right, so I'm going to click on withdraw. Let's see if I can withdraw. So I'm going to add my account details. I've not added account details before. I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to select the bank first. Now as you can see, bank account added successfully. You can withdraw your earnings to your added bank account. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to withdraw this money right now. So as you can see, minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. So I'm going to just select the bank right here, which is this bank. Right, I'm going to put in the amount I want to withdraw. So I just withdraw 1,000 naira from this account into my OP account. So after making the 1,000 naira withdrawal, was just paid right now, as you can see. And if you look very well right here, this remark, you are going to see social earner fund social earning. All right, telling you that I was paid via social earning, and it was from pay stack right here. So guys, this is the payment proof. All right, so what I would say concerning this platform is that they really pay, right? You can really make some good money from this platform by performing simple tasks, as you can see right here. Now this platform will not make you a whole lot of money, but this platform can make you some kind of extra cash, and this can be a sign of a side hustle and a side income for you, and you can add this to your mail also, and you can at least fetch some good income from this very platform. Now there are several ways you can make money from this platform. Now you can also use this platform to increase your business reach and increase your followers, and you can also use it to grow your social media account, and you can even work as an advertiser in this very platform. Right now this platform pays you to do simple tasks, but this platform will not make you a whole lot of money, but it will make you some good money. You can use that to at least support yourself. Now if you want to register for this platform, I will leave the link in the description of this video. It will be the first link you are going to be seeing down there. Just click on the link and you just go ahead of this platform, register, and you can activate your account with just 1,000 naira, and you have access to the platform for a lifetime. You can perform tasks and do whatever you want to do, right? So I believe you got value from this video. If you do, please make sure you smash the like button. It's very important, and also share this video to someone you know it will be valuable to them, and subscribe to the channel, join the community, because I'll be dropping all the series of this very video on this very channel, right? If you check the playlist right now, you'll be seeing the series of I Tried, which is a series of videos I'm shooting, trying different platform out and checking if they really works and giving my honest reviews about them. If you check the playlist right now, you will see a series of video I have tried, trying different platforms, side gig, freebies, and all this platform. All right, also giving my honest reviews if you should go ahead with the platform or not. So guys, just make sure you check the playlist, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you watched to this end, you are amazing, and I believe 2024 is going to be your year. So I believe all these 5 platforms can make you some good money. Right now, all these platforms, bringing them together can make you some good money, but this is my honest reviews about these platforms. Now it's not late for you, based on this video, to choose which platforms you can start making money with, or you can even choose to choose all of them, or you can choose to ignore all. That's your decision, right? If you want to access all these platforms, I will link all of them down in the description of this video. You can access all of them one by one, and if you want to access all the 5 platforms in a separate videos, I've divided them into separate videos. You can access that in the description of this video, or you can as well access that around this playlist. It will be showing right here very soon. Making money online is not that easy, but if you can spend 2 hours, 3 hours every day with all these platforms together, that can make you some good extra money by the end of the week. So guys, I believe you find value from this very content. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, your suggestion, what do you think about this, and if this is right or not. Your own review also, because your review is welcome. I will appreciate that a lot. So you can click here right now to access all the videos I've break down on these 5 Nigeria platforms that pays you every day. So with that said, I'll be bringing more videos on this series your way, trying all the most popular ways to make money online right here in this channel, and giving you my own honest review. Remember, you can access all the platform in the description of this video. With that said, I'll see you right here. Bye for now.